Welcome to our comprehensive car wash digital twin series. I'm excited to show you how we can create a complete industrial automation system using cutting-edge digital twin technology. In this episode, we'll cover the complete 3D software workflow: 3D modeling in Blender, physics simulation in Isaac Sim, and industrial PLC programming in Studio 5000, all working together in perfect harmony. By the end of this video, you will see a fully functional car wash system with PLC concurrent car movement, realistic physics, and professional industrial automation workflows. Our foundation consists of two key elements: professional 3D models from Blender and Concord Logics from Studio 5000. Isaac Sim transforms our foundation into a living digital twin. Watch as we import models, create action graph nodes, and establish real-time PLC communication. Now for the exciting part, let's see our complete 3D software integration in action. This demonstrates how Blender models, Isaac Sim physics, and Studio 5000 Concord work together seamlessly. I'll set up the PLC car wash status to 10. Watch what happens. The car should move right toward the wash system. Perfect. Notice the tire visual effect. They turn green during the movement and rotate at 360 degrees per second. This provides clear feedback that our system is active. Now let's return the car to its initial position by setting car wash status to 50. Watch it move left back to the starting point. Incredible! We've successfully integrated 3 powerful software platforms into one cohesive digital twin system. This free software approach represents the future of industrial automation simulation. In our next video, we'll add the washing system components. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.